Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit caption on your TikTok videos. To get started, let's go to your TikTok app. Now here in your For You page you can see options and icons like Home, Friends, Plus, Inbox and Profile button. Now it will navigate you to a profile page. So here you can select any of the video that you want to edit caption. Now let me click this video. In this video my caption is hello. So in order to change your caption, click on three dot that is just located on your right corner. So click on it. Now in the below option you can able to see edit post. So click on edit post. Now here you can easily change your caption, like let's say hello everyone, I am editing my caption, and click on done and save it. Now let me go back and click on the video. Now here you can able to see the caption that is already edited and changed from hello to hello everyone, I am editing my caption. Here you go, you have successfully edited your caption on your TikTok videos. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.